Hi, Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are learning how to crochet the extended half double crochet stitch. This stitch is this cross between a half double crochet and a double crochet, which means that it's a little bit taller than the half double. Made similarly to the double crochet, it's very easy to learn, very quick to work up, and a lot of fun too. This is a little washcloth that I've worked up in several different colors just to get a feel for the stitch, and I hope you love it as well. Let's learn how to make this awesome stitch. To make the extended half double crochet stitch, you do not need to have a specific number of chains. You can start with any number you like. I love that about this stitch. What we're going to do is we're going to treat it almost like a regular half double crochet with one very small difference. So I'm going to find the second chain from my hook. I'm going to go into the back bar here. I'm going to wrap it like I normally would with a half double crochet, and I'm going to pull up a loop in that second chain from my hook. So now this is looking like a regular half double crochet, right? The only difference here between that and this extended half double is that we're going to do a yarn over and chain one just through this first one, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through all three, and that's it. So you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch or chain, pull up a loop, we're going to chain one, and then we're going to complete our half double crochet going through all three of those loops. So it's very similar to both a half double crochet and the double crochet. Very easy, very fun. It is a little bit taller than the regular half double, so it works up a little bit faster. And it also, you know, the double crochet, this looks just a little bit different, so it gives it a different spin on a classic. So let's do these last two stitches and then we'll start a new row together. Beautiful. So there is our first row of the extended half double crochet. Isn't that fun? So what I like to do is chain one and turn. Now we're going to continue. I'm going to go right into this first stitch here, chain one, and pull through three. That's it. Isn't that fun? Not bad at all, right? Let me show you the sides of this washcloth. I decided not to add a border to this washcloth here because of how nice and beautifully straight this edge is. I just think it's absolutely stunning how clean and how crisp that is. And this is with only one chain when I'm turning to start the new row. This is a brand new washcloth pattern that I have worked up, and I will have this published on HeartHookHome.com so that you can practice this awesome, fun, easy crochet stitch with me. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to crocheting with you soon.